Fold your cord in half equally. Take the ends behind the dowel over the top and put the ends through that loop. Pull the cords down, and you've now attached your cord with the lark's head knot. Attach 9 more cords in the same way. Take the first 4 cords on the left. With the first cord, go over the 2 middle cords. With the 4th cord, go over the cord you just brought over, behind the 2 middle cords, and then up through that loop. And pull that to the top. Take the right cord over the 2 middle cords. Take the left cord over that cord, around the back and through the opening. This is your first square knot, and do 4 more square knots across the top. From the left again, take the first 3 cords, drop the 4th cord, and then take the 5th cord. And now do a square knot. The left cord over the 2 middle cords, the right cord over that cord, around the back and through the opening. I'm just pulling all the cords so they're nice and snug together. And finish that square knot. I'm going to pull the rest of the cords over. So you have the 4 cords of the square knot you just finished. The drop cord, you want to start with that drop cord, and the next 2 cords, and then drop the 4th cord again, and bring in the first cord from that square knot, and do a square knot. And do the same thing again. Take the dropped cord, the next 2 cords, drop that cord there, and bring this one in, and do a square knot. And finish the last 2. The last one, you're using the dropped cord and the last 3 cords. Start from the left again, and we're going to do the same method, dropping the 4th cord, bringing in the 5th cord, and doing a square knot. And continue in the same way all the way across. Keep repeating from left to right. I continued until I completed 8 rows. You're going to notice that some of your cords have lots of length and some are just right. If you want to know a fix for that, because it's a little more advanced for a beginner tutorial, let me know in the comments below and I'll show you how. Now remove your coaster from the dowel. Unloop the lark's head knots. They come open super easy. Spin your coaster around and pull really tightly on the last square knot of each column to secure your knots. Spin it the other way again and do the same thing on the other side. Trim the ends to your desired fringe length. Using a comb or a brush, comb out the fringe. And tidy up the ends. Do the same thing on the other side.